Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Compound, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, let's understand what Compound is. Compound is a decentralized finance application that allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency. To start saving, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. Choose a wallet that supports Ethereum-based tokens since Compound operates on the Ethereum network. Once you have your wallet, you'll need to purchase some cryptocurrency. Ethereum and DAI are popular choices for use on the Compound platform. After securing your cryptocurrency, open the Compound website or app. Connect your wallet to the Compound platform. This will allow you to interact with your funds on the app. Once you're connected, navigate to the Markets section. Here, you'll see different assets available to supply or borrow. Select the cryptocurrency you want to save. Click on the Supply button to lend your assets to the protocol. Enter the amount you wish to supply and confirm the transaction. After supplying your funds, you'll start earning interest. The interest is compounded continuously, meaning it grows exponentially over time. You can track your earnings directly on the Compound interface. To withdraw your funds, go back to the Markets section. Select the asset you want to withdraw and click on Withdraw. Enter the amount. Your funds will soon be transferred back to your wallet. Remember to keep your wallet secure to protect your investments. Now you have a basic understanding of how to save using Compound. Happy saving! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.